The community that we're working in, zip code 38126, is one of the most impoverished areas. 87% are African American, and most of them are led by women of color. So the Women's Foundation decided to develop and activate our Vision 2020 plan. And Vision 2020 was simply to reduce poverty by 5% in 5 years in zip code 38126. The process that we identified to really look at the challenges in the zip code 38126 was to first understand what their needs are by asking them. And then looking at the lessons that we've learned in our grant making over the last 20 years, as well as our partnerships. The Women's Foundation for Greater Memphis was one of 9 selected in 2020 to participate in the Women's Funding Network, Women's Economic Mobility Hub. As a part of this work and as a part of the partnership with the Women's Funding Network, we were able to create a hub council, if you will, an economic council that really helped the community and our partners understand that we must take a dive-in approach to the work. In communities, mostly impoverished communities, it's a family connection, and that family extends. Through the Women's Economic Mobility Hub, the Women's Foundation has been able to advance from just 2 generations to what we call a 3-generation approach. It includes wraparound support services, support for youth development, early education, and early child care, specifically more youth development, and also financial literacy. But most importantly, there's a component for workforce and work training, as well as employment opportunities. One of the economic data sets that we are really very proud of is that the average household has improved from about 13,000 to now 18,000. In collecting the data through the Economic Mobility Hub, we have a closer view, not only of the numbers, but also the people engaged. And so it's very important that the impact is both qualitative as well as quantitative for the Women's Foundation, especially during these times where there's a lack of actual in-person engagement. And it's allowed us to share our story, elevate that within the community, but also on a national level. Connecting that national and local challenge really engage not only individuals, but other corporations and foundations to support our work. We are working on our Vision 2025 plan, and that would be to expand our model of place-based work, including comprehensive case management, opportunities for employment, early child care, as well as youth development programs and financial literacy into 5 communities by 2025. We believe with the support and work through the Economic Mobility Hub, as well as the models of lessons learned with our grantee partners, we will be able to achieve this aggressive goal.